And I guess one of the questions, people like to know the answer to is, how do you as an individual lawyer with an individual client fight the might of the United States government with all their assets, FBI, U.S. Attorney, DEA, whatever?
Well, it's always a difficult thing. In that particular case, we were fortunate because the law firm and the lawyers were in a position where they could spend money to defend themselves in terms of investigation and things that you need to defend yourself. But you have to remember that in a criminal case, the government's required to turn over all of their evidence and all of the, show these things to you and share them with you so you can prepare without having to go out and spend tons and tons of money. But anybody that thinks it's a laughing matter to have the United States government on the other side of a lawsuit hasn't had the United States government on the other side of a lawsuit. And you have to be ready to go, and you know for sure they will. They'll leave no stone unturned, and they will spend whatever they think it takes to get the result they're seeking.
How does the ordinary citizen defend him or herself against a government action?
The ordinary citizen, if you're not in a position to spend a lot of money, you have to hope that you have enough money to hire a good lawyer. That's the first thing. And quite frankly, you've got to have good facts. If you're going to go to trial, I tell every client in a federal case, you really don't want to go to trial unless you have a reasonable chance to win. I mean, there are a number of cases, any number of cases, where the government's got a good case. The defendant did it. The evidence is clear. And in those kinds of cases, you wind up, seeking plea bargains. But if you're going to trial, you have to make up your mind you're going to do whatever's within your means, at least, to defend yourself, because it's the United States government and they don't come with pop.